Artist Project Presentation by Lena. Artist, Raphael. Raphael was born on April 6, 1483 in Italy. He died on April 6, 1520, in Rome, from a fever. Raphael is best known for his Madonnas and for his enormous figure syntheses in the Vatican. Raphael had accomplished completing the process of painting frescoes in the stanza dell'Incendio. Following his passing, Raphael's development toward Mannerism impacted painting styles in Italy. Celebrated for the decent and for his Madonnas, representations, and design. Raphael keeps on being generally viewed as the main creative figure of Italian high Renaissance elegance. Raphael was conceived at the time. Urbino was a social focus that energized the arts. Raphael's dad, Giovanni Santi, was a painter for the Duke of Urbino, Federico da Montefeltro. Giovanni showed the youthful Raphael fundamental painting strategies and presented him to the standards of a humanistic way of thinking at the Duke of Urbino's court. In any case, the most striking impact crafted by these years is Leonardo da Vinci, who came back to the city from 1500 to 1506. Leonardo was over 30 years more established than Raphael. Raphael's theories represent a statement of the philosophical viewpoint of the time frame between the late 15th and mid-1600s of years known as the High Renaissance. Raphael's best realized work is seemingly the divider fresco. High Renaissance art was the predominant style in Italy during the 16th century. Work additionally created during this period. Many consider 16th century High Renaissance craftsmanship to be generally overwhelmed by three people: Michelangelo, Raphael, and Leonardo da Vinci. Raphael's assemblage of work in the stanza della Segnatura was Raphael's most noteworthy work. He utilized what Vasari portrayed as new inventions and novel attitudes to contemporary sculptural trials and speaking to the human body. Raphael accepted the course of the work, changing the plans of the medium. Raphael likewise utilized canvas, and he was referred to utilize drying oils, such as linseed or pecan oils. It is an organization that has a lot to educate about the components of good structure. The artistic creation shows the fundamental standards of structure, beat, equalization, and extent. Raphael art employed mostly art in worship and ritual and art for commemoration. Raphael is regularly viewed by pundits as just the important iconographic borrowings of a youthful understudy. Raphael perceives the undeniable change in progress painted during that period, without considering the way that Perugino was his guide not just in the procurement of an outstanding painting method, yet additionally in issues of thought.